Good morning. Welcome to our channel, Down Under Cruising and Travel. I'm Tony.
And I'm Selena.
Now you might wonder what we're about, so let's give you a brief rundown. Like a lot of people out there, we love our cruising, but we're not going at the moment due to work commitments and other things before Christmas. So what we're going to do is concentrate on showing you different things that you can see on excursions, or if you're going to be staying in Brisbane overnight before you get on your cruise ship, or you decide to come to the Gold Coast and stay there for a night or a couple of nights, either before or after your cruise. So we'll touch off on some of that later on in some separate videos. In the meantime, you've got anything to say, Selena?
Yeah, you'll be able to see all the things that we get up to, like all the places we go, show you a few ideas, and just maybe if you don't like it all, that doesn't matter, that's your choice, but there are people out there that would be interested in it, hopefully, and we just generally just give you a good look at what's here on the coast as much as we possibly can.
Now, one other thing that we will try and do is, we've been asked by a few of our friends, I'd really love to go on a cruise. How do we go about it? So later on we will be doing a separate video just with the two of us explaining how we went about organising our first cruise, and it was absolutely amazing. Now this is coming from somebody, me, who fought tooth and nail not to go. Now I was adamant that I was going to be, excuse the language, bored shitless, and boy was I wrong.
He was definitely wrong. Definitely wrong. He absolutely loved it. He took 2 books and didn't even read one of them. He was too busy doing other stuff.
It got to the last day of the cruise, and I hate to admit it, but I actually had tears in my eyes. I did not want to get off the ship. It was so much fun. The best way of describing it is a cruise takes you away from the reality that you know. And the reason I say that is no matter where you go in Australia or in the rest of the world, if you're in a city, you have cars, you have traffic, you have bustling people. You go out on a cruise ship, it is so totally different. You have the main atrium, you have the shops, you have the casino, you have all the different entertainment outlets there. The entertainment on board is just amazing. Now, when we went on our very first cruise, I am still positive to this day that we never saw probably a third of the ship, and we definitely never saw any more than a half of the activities that were on board. So it's well worth going if you get yourself talked into it.
Yeah, really worth it. You'll really enjoy it. It's good for the ladies because it means if you've got a man that's always on the mobile phone, looking at the internet, and looking at social media and stuff, it's good. They can get them to switch it off and put it in the safe or put it in the cupboard. So
Priorities, dear.
Really, really good. So.
But yeah, no, there is so much to do on a cruise. So as I say, we are going to do a separate video on how to go about selecting a cruise, doing a little bit of research on what you'd like to see where the cruise goes, a brief rundown of what the cruise lines are like. As I say, at the moment we're not cruising, but when we do cruise, we'll bring you a full review of the ship and all the facilities on board. Okay, we might just leave it there for now, and we'll see you on the flip side. Now, one last thing. If you have any suggestions on things that you would like us to touch on, or ideas that you would like us to review for you, please just let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see more of our videos, please subscribe and give us a like, and we'll keep on bringing you lots and lots of content that will hopefully be interesting for you.
Yeah, don't forget to like and share, guys, because we'd really like that if you did.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, guys.